Hello, I'm Roland Dupre with East Hartford Public Library, and today we're discussing the password problem. Some of you might not have a password problem, but a lot of people do because we use our cell phones so much. And if you have a smartphone, those passwords that you use are oftentimes they're embedded into the phone and you forget that you've even put them in there. So you use the phone, but you never have to use your passwords until you come to another computer or a website that requires you to use a new password. Oftentimes, this will also require you to create a username. So you have to create a secure password, and you have to remember it, and you have to know that every website requires a different password with different rules. And how we create these, how we remember them, and how we navigate between these websites and passwords, that's the issue. Some passwords and requirements are fairly simple. One uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number. But some are a little more complicated, and they include special characters such as the hashtag or a plus symbol or other symbols. Passwords can be very complicated or they can be simple. Every website now offers fail-safes. If you forget your password, they might send you a text to your cell phone, or they may send you an email. This is called a two-step authentication. You might also consider getting a password manager app that will generate new passwords every time you log into a new website, and it'll keep track of your passwords. Or you might want to keep track of your passwords in another way. Some people create new passwords every time you log in and forget the old one. But again, do you have the same cell phone as you did first time? And do you know the password to your email? Some people will keep track of their passwords by writing them on a piece of paper and putting them in their wallet. And this works if you don't have a lot of websites, certainly. But if you have a lot of websites to log into, it can get kind of complicated, and you might forget where you put that. This is an example of a password manager app. And this is an example of a digital document, such as an Excel spreadsheet that you can use to keep track of your passwords. Some people just keep a notebook and write them down so they know both the user ID and the password that is being used for every website that they visit. So that's one solution. You might come up with other solutions, but keep track of your passwords. And if you want any more information, call us at the East Hartford Public Library.